In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet templates effectively. We'll walk through the process right from the Smartsheet home area so you can quickly find and start using the right template for your work. Templates are a great way to save time and avoid building the same structure from scratch over and over again. First, from your Smartsheet start page, look toward the left side of the screen where you see your usual options for creating new items. Here, instead of jumping into a blank sheet, look for the option labeled More Options. Go ahead and click that. This area is where Smartsheet hides some of the more powerful creation tools, including access to templates, so it's worth getting familiar with it. Once the expanded creation menu opens, find and click on View All Templates. This is what opens up the full template gallery, not just a few suggested ones. The gallery is your main hub for browsing everything Smartsheet has already set up for you: project plans, task trackers, marketing calendars, intake forms, and many more. Taking a moment to open this gallery, instead of starting from scratch, can dramatically cut down your setup time. After the template gallery loads, you'll see templates grouped into categories or collections. You can scroll through, or if you have something specific in mind, use the search bar or filter by category, such as project management, IT, HR, or operations. As you explore, click on a template to preview it. The preview lets you see the overall structure, columns, and example data before you commit. When you find a template that looks like a good fit, select it. In most cases, you'll be prompted to give your new sheet a name and choose where to save it in your workspace or folder structure. Take a moment here to name it clearly so you can easily distinguish it from other sheets later on, especially if you plan to try multiple templates. After you create your new sheet from the template, it's ready for you to customize. Replace any sample content with your own data, adjust column names if needed, and tweak settings like conditional formatting, filters, or automation rules so they match your process. And that's it. By clicking More Options, opening View All Templates, and then selecting the right template from the gallery, you set yourself up with a strong starting point in Smartsheet and make your workflows more consistent and efficient.